Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Wednesday, September 25th. Well, the market yesterday was somewhat quiet, mixed on the day, but positive most of the session. Even S&P finished down a quarter of a point, 1692. The high was 1701. Like I said, positive most of the session. The low of the session was 1687.5. Dow futures were down 40, 15,286. The NASDAQ, though, was positive on the day, up 4 points, up 4.25 at 3213.25, as tech is hopefully finding a bottom here. The dollar index drifted higher, up 12 points at 8069. That pushed the euro currency down 19, 134.79, below that 135 point that we're keeping an eye on right now. Bonds, new relative highs, new month plus highs, up a full point, 132.31 in the 30-year. Crude oil sold off, down 46 cents, 103.13. Now that it's been below that 105 pivot that we've been talking about. The low of the session yesterday was 102.30. 102 is a significant support to keep an eye on, and 103.64 was the high. So a muted range in the crude, testing that recent support. Gold down 11 at 1316. 1305 was the recent low, was the low of the session yesterday. 1300 was that last breakout pivot that we've been keeping an eye on a weekly basis. So after a mixed day, somewhat quiet, giving up the gains at the end of the session, where do the markets stand on this Wednesday morning to start a new trading day? Well, we're down once again. We're down 3 points in the E-mini S&P, 1689.5. We want to keep an eye on 1686. That was the breakout base before the big surge last week. So we'll want to see if that can hold as support, 1686. And on the upside, if you look at the recent highs at 1727 to these lows at 1687, 1707 is the upside resistance that we want to keep an eye on. That's a 50% midpoint resistance on the upside. Dow futures right now down 19, 15,267, and we've got the NASDAQ up down 2.75 points at 3210.5. The dollar index is off 15 ticks, 8055. That's pushed the euro currency higher, 135.05, up 26. Bonds continue to move up, 133.07, up 8. The yield on the 30-year Treasury is 2.66 and the 10-year notes 2.64, so it continues to drift lower in this yield after flirting with 3% a couple weeks ago. 2.64 and the 10-year note has come off a good deal. Crude oil positive after finding that support yesterday at 102. We're at 103.78 right now, up 65 cents. And gold is up $6 at 13.22. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're off once again. We're down 3 points in the E-mini S&P, 1689.5, more than 1.75% off of the highs, the all-time highs made just last week, Thursday. Right now, Dow futures are down 19 at 15,267. I will see you early Thursday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.